So I just tried making a video, till my mom walked in, but I was showing you, how to, maintain and check your GTR shocks, make sure they're fluid and make sure they're good on the inside of them, okay? So what you want to do is, you want to unscrew your, bottom shock retainer screw, lift this up, and take your spring off like you would. And let me find out where I left off, because I'm not going to upload the last one. This will be my third video, because the first one I showed you how to take off the GTR spring and whatnot. Second, I showed you a little bit about this STRC rear aluminum shock tower. Now I'm going to show you how to take off your GTR shock cap and make sure your fluids and everything's okay inside of it. So what you want to do is you want to get some pliers or something to hold it with. And I'm using an Allen wrench. You want something to stick to this ball joint right here. You want to grip it tight, and you just want to twist off the cap, basically, just like that. Not hard at all. So once you just twist it off, you just want to be careful. I've never opened a GTR shock. I've only dealt with the stock Ultra shocks from Traxxas. Okay. So, there's your, diaphragm, I think that's what it's called, or bladder, or seal is what I call it, because it seals it up. And, this shock oil looks really good. It's, got 50 weight shock oil inside of it. They're pretty much brand new, so I'm not gonna really try to change that. Oh man, that sucks. I was gonna use these stock Ultra Shock aluminum shock caps on this these shocks, but they're the shock caps that come on the GTRs are a little bit bigger, cause like the stock Ultra Shocks are a plastic body, and the plastic shock caps on the Ultra Shocks usually come off, so you put aluminum shock caps on. But this is an aluminum body, so I guess it's okay to use plastic shock caps because you do have aluminum on it, threaded into the cap or whatever. So I'm gonna check all these shocks, but even though it is full and it's good, I'm gonna put one more. Oh wait, I gotta open this. The guy resealed this bottle, so I gotta take off this little rubber thing. I'm gonna put like 1 or 2 more drops in it just to top it off, or whatever. So just 1, 2. Alright, 3, whatever. So 2 to 3 drops if you want. If you've never changed the oil in your shock, or you have but it's been a while or whatever, you might want to change it. So what you want to do is you want to fill it up with whatever weight shock oil you want. I would recommend either 45 or 50 or higher in these shocks, or 40. It just depends on what you want to run, and you can ask people around. But I recommend 45, 50 or higher. 40 maybe. But yeah, I got some 50 weight right here, some 40 weight, and then some 45. But 50 seems to work pretty fair in these shocks. So now since I topped it off, wait a minute, like I was saying before that, if you refill your shocks after dumping the fluid, refill it about halfway and move this shaft up and down. Work it for about a minute, and then you'll see some air bubbles, and then you want to fill it up some more, work it for another minute or so, and then set it down somewhere for at least 15 to 20 minutes or something like that, and make sure there's no more air bubbles in it, and then you can top it off with maybe 1, 2, 3 more drops of liquid. Then you just want to get your cap and just screw it back on, basically. Oh god, dude.